This is No Debt. I'm coming to you from the Grand Lisboa Hotel in Macau. Got just a normal room here, so I'll show you around, and it's free from the casino, so I'll show you around and take you for a tour of it. So the room number is 2562. It's on the 25th floor of the hotel. Okay. So they take you in. You've got the hallway here. There's me there. Oh. What do we got here? Place to put your bags and some storage there. Cupboard. Robes and things like that. Then as you come through, you've got a bedroom. And in here we got a mini bar with drinks. Free drinks they are. And nothing much else. Coffee machine, water, all that sort of thing. And as you move through here, you've got the bedroom, which is overlooking Nam Van Lake. There's the bed there. It's very Chinese inspired with the fucking chandeliers and that everywhere. TV there, and some speakers and that. Phone and desk sitting there. Sitting chair. Complimentary gift with the room. What is it there? It's a Avenue Lisboa keyring. Nice. Grand Lisboa. It's a smoking room, and it is the view. You get the Win Macau and Win Encore over there, MGM, and there's a nice view of Nam Van Lake. Like a China building there. Yep. Then I'll just take you through and show you the bathroom. Now I'll just take you in and show you the bathroom. The toilet there, everyone loves to see the toilet. Got a nice TV there, it looks like in the toilet maybe. Is it? There we go. It's TV, so you can watch TV while you're taking a shit. It's fantastic. Yeah. And then in here we got the bathroom with another TV there. His and her basins. Some amenities products. We got shaving kit, vanity kit, emery board, shower cap, hairbrush, dental kit, some soap there. Towels are all there, and yep. Then you've got a spa and jacuzzi. Just here, it's been disinfected. That's great. And then you've got a shower there with some Hermes products there. Actually, the shower looks pretty good. It's got that huge big head up top there, if you can see that. Looks pretty cool. Small shower, but you know, got a seat in there. I don't know what that's for. Yeah. In case you want to sit down. No TV in the shower, but anyway, so that's the Grand Lisboa in Macau. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.